or welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first video of our new backdrop. So today's video is going to be about planning. I have been wanting to do a video on planning since a really long time, and today finally I'm doing one. So basically planning is something that has influenced my life a lot. My life has got much more better after I have started planning, and I'm really grateful for the fact that I started planning. So I thought, why not share a few things that I personally do while planning. So August is almost at the verge of ending. Today is 27th when I'm shooting this video, and I thought that I'll be planning my September soon. So I thought that why not plan it together, and I'll share a few things with you guys. So if you're looking for some planning inspiration, or you're a complete beginner at planning and you want to know some more things about planning, then please do continue watching this video till the end. And yeah, let's go.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby.
Now before beginning, I make myself fully comfortable. I make my hair, wear my spectacles, light some scented candles, play some lo-fi music, arrange all my nice stationery. Now here are the two products that I mostly use for planning. One is this desk calendar of mine and the other is this monthly planner. I'll link both these products in the description if you want to check it out. But hear me out, if you're a complete beginner at planning and you don't want to buy any such expensive products, you don't need to. You can just begin with a normal notebook or a bullet journal. Here is what my monthly planner and calendar looks like. And now firstly I'll begin with planning on my calendar. So the two most important things in my life right now are my studies and my content. So I plan my studies on my calendar and my content in the planner. So for that, I'll firstly begin with planning all the important dates and stuff. If I have any sort of exam or tests, I'll write that down in the calendar. And also I write some good quote in the calendar in the notes section so that it really motivates me in the coming month. I also like to write about what all parts of the syllabus am I going to complete in the coming month, so that it really tells me that what all am I left with. I also like to mention all the important festivals that are going to fall in the coming month, so that I'm even sure about them and I know what exactly am I going to plan about them. I also highlight some important dates if there's something important falling. And yeah, I mention a few small details like these really cute stickers which really set the vibe of the month for me to be motivated for the next month and feel very happy about the coming month. So this is what my calendar finally looks like. Now coming to the planner, let me first quickly show you all the pages, how do they look like and what they actually have on them. This is the monthly meal planner, these are the notes sections, and then we have the monthly template. Here I actually plan my content, and this is the habit tracker. So first of all, I begin with reflecting on the previous month and seeing what all goals are complete and what are still left to be done. And then I start planning the next month by writing all the important birthdays, all the important events, and most importantly my to-do list and my goals that are needed to completed in this coming month, which are really important to be written down. Then I write all the habits that I need to keep in track. Now I'm going to be writing the shopping list about the things that I really need to buy in this coming month, and then I begin with writing all the things that I need to clear out this month. It could be anything, be it emotional clearing out, mental clearing out, physical clearing out, anything. You just have to write all the things that are stuck inside you and need to be cleared out. Then coming to this monthly template, I first of all write some of the important stuff in the notes section, and then I highlight all those days when my videos are going to go up, so that I really know when is the video going up and when am I supposed to edit it. And I also mostly write the titles of the videos right there so that I know which video is going to go up when. Then I'm going to again decorate this monthly template also with some really cool and happy stickers so that it gives me a really nice vibe in the coming month. And I also mention some small details about the days of the next month so that I'm very clear about the month. So this is about my planning. Do let me know how did you like it, and if you did, do not forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.